What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another day in paradise. Yeah, I always got something to do, so I'm going to show you guys two things that I'm doing today. One, I got a grocery bag around the alternator, and I got another grocery bag and some tape around the mass airflow sensor and the cold air intake. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to wash the engine bay, so I got those three things wrapped up because you do not want to get no water on them. And if you do, and I don't want to talk about it, it's gonna be bad. So that's why those things is in place. Enough say, you guys can really see how dirty and nasty this thing is, but it's nasty. Like, it really is. For real, it's just nasty. I'm going to be using Purple Power, and this thing is so good. It's better than anything else that I ever tried. So that's what I use to clean up degrease and anything that's like oily, anything in that nature. So I use this and it comes out perfect every time. This is the second thing that I'm doing today, is the OEM diffuser. I'm taking it off and I'm repainting it. As you guys hear, the dog will bark. It's annoying, but I'm trying to do the video as best as I can so they don't bark too much. So I guess I must go ahead and spray the engine bay. And after that, like I said, I'm gonna take the diffuser off and then do those two things. But it's getting dark quick over here because of daytime savings. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this and then go to the back. So I have it out right now. Oh, I think I remember this car was from Florida originally. I'm not sure if it was originally, but I know it been in Florida before. And this is what's inside. It's nasty. As you guys see, they got some of that heat tape because there's a little pipe down there that it gets hot, and as you see right here. But yeah, so that's pretty good. They had this in there. But see how old looking and nasty it is. Oh, I'm about to clean this thing up really good. It's gonna be like really nice and shiny and black again. So I got my little pressure washer right here. It's ready to go. It has dried up some. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it again, and then go ahead and hook up my press washer and come and do my little spray, and hopefully it cleans up some. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray this right now and get it going. So it got dark on me. So I did the engine bay, I did the rear diffuser, I cleaned it up pretty well, both of them. So I can't show you guys yet because it got dark, so I want to make sure there's sunlight and you guys can see it. So now I'm going to clean up a little bit and then wait for tomorrow to come, and I'll see you guys then. What is up, guys? Welcome back to day 2. I had got everything situated. I'm about to show you guys right now. So the engine bay do look much better in my opinion, even though the camera won't catch all the good stuff that I'm trying to show you guys, and you know how it is. But long story short, I like it so much better, so I'm gonna go and show you guys a little bit of cinematics. So after I had cleaned everything, I blow it off with my leaf blower all the way around the engine bay last night because it got dark, so I just did all that. I make sure today everything was very dry. I don't have a lift, so I will show you guys what I also cleaned under the frame. I had to clean that up too down there, and so I definitely need to get a lift one day, and so I can show you guys under the car, all my cars. So I cannot find none of my bungee cords. I think it's in the truck at my parents' house. So this is how it's looking kind of ghetto. I got a hanger right there. Look at that. That's so funny right there. For now, that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't feel like getting the bungee cord, so I can do it a little bit better hanging. But that'll work. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this real quick. So this is the result, and I'm about to put it back in a minute. So since the car is raised up high enough, I can't use my little impact gun, because earlier I was doing by hand when I was taking it off. It took forever. And the car was really low in the back because I had the front raised up. So now it's that time to put it on. I can't wait. It's gonna look cleaner, of course, because I am gonna paint the car also, because as you guys see in the previous videos, I have a lot of fading going on. So I'm definitely gonna get that, you know what I mean? Really fresh. So let's go ahead and put this on. So that's the final result right there. I started with the gun first, and then I had to change it back to the by hand because it was so much easier, and I didn't want to strip the bolts. But yeah, it's definitely better looking, and it just looks so clean now, for real. I love it. And I also gotta get my exhaust done because it's rubbing somewhere and it's rattling, so I gotta make sure I get that fixed soon later. Gotta take it to the exhaust shop, and it's touching the bumper right here for a while, and you see this right here because it's melting the bumper right here. But I'm gonna get exhaust a little bit level, more sturdy, because right now it's rubbing here, and it was rubbing where that tape was earlier, as you guys see that. That's why they put a tape over there. But yeah, it looks so good. I love it. So the car is coming really along really fast, and I like that because I gotta get it running right, and I gotta be looking good, so I can go ahead and take it to car shows, the car meets, and make sure that I'm happy with the car, and make sure you guys have content. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short because I think I heard the dog next door, and he's about to start barking, and it's gonna ruin my video. So don't forget to make sure you like the video, like today's video, like every video, comment on every video if possible, if you guys want to talk back and forth with me, because I will reply. I like to make these great videos for you guys. Make sure that you tune in. I try to make it as much videos as possible during the week, but I work so hard. Anyways, so make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you guys very shortly. Peace out.